What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Drive Theory. If you haven't checked out the last episode, make sure you do that before watching this one. In today's episode, what a surprise! We're working on this thing still. What I'm working on right now, I'm gonna plastic weld this hood thing back on for like the 14th time, but I actually got the car in here. So I was like, oh yeah, because it's like about to be tornado weather here in a minute. So I was like, yeah, I'll pull this thing in quick. I started this thing and I was like, holy fuck, it's even louder than I remember. Then I realized I took the gasket off. So yeah, she fuck it. Open cylinder. Do an exhaust delete. It's fine. But yeah. Gonna do the hood quick. And then we're gonna start. Oh yeah, holy shit! I forgot I filmed a little bit the other day. What a nightmare! Yeah, so if any of you thought the easy outs were gonna work? Yeah, they didn't. Like they never do. So I spent like the whole day drilling these fuckers out. The actual real drill bits actually did help quite a bit. It was just a little sketchy. There might be a hole in the cylinder wall. Who knows? But so yeah, I finally tapped those. We're gonna put the studs in, and then maybe it actually will finally sound like a car instead of a tractor. We'll see. It's the bees. Oh, they're fighting. Oh, they're fighting. What the fuck? Back to you on Animal Planet. Alrighty, I just finished goobering the absolute shit out of this thing. Look at that. It's like twice the size that it used to be. Hopefully that works. But now we're going to see what damage I caused doing this. There's some metal shavings in there. No big deal. Oh my. Yeah. Love drilling studs. We're gonna put these Johnsons in. Here, let's see. Moment of truth. Holy shit. Do I know what I'm doing? Probably not. Let's get those in, and then I'm gonna RTV the absolute shit out of the gasket, and she's gonna be fucking mint. Alright, it's been a while since I recorded. Logan came to put math on that thing. But as always, Volkswagen needs dumbass parts, and he thought it was a Torx, so I was like, well, I need some more Torx anyways. So we went to Lowe's, got that. Hit some fucking Doritos Locos Tacos, and we came back, and it's a triple square. It's not a Torx bit, so we couldn't do that anyways, and he got pissed and left. So I've been slowly working on this throughout. It's pretty much, I'm calling it good, I think. This bottom one's a little, yeah, it looks even worse on camera. It's a little suspect, but, you know, okay. But, yeah, so I'm calling it good enough. Realistically, it's not gonna not leak. Yeah, English. There it is. I'm about to absolutely coat this thing in RTV, and then we're gonna bolt that bitch on, and hopefully it doesn't sound like a tractor. Alright, my phone's about to die, I gotta hurry. But if anybody thought I was kidding, I coated the absolute fuck of this thing with RTV. On both sides, too. I'll put her on and get my phone charging. Alrighty, we got the bullshit done. Holy shit, boys, look at that. I still think it's gonna leak right there. But hopefully it's better. As long as it's not fucking... I don't really care. That's fine. I figured I'm gonna do the Gonna wet sand and buff the headlights quick because they're absolutely spanked. Down to the... look at... Get a shot of that. Yeah, fucking... Oh, yeah, buddy. Look at that. Absolutely cooked. So... I'm gonna do that quick. Oh, where the flashlight? Where the flashlight? Can you tell it's late? I'm starting to lose it. How are you doing? Oh, we got this back together. I accidentally fucked it up, as you can see. Oops. I don't really want to touch it. It's probably gonna break again. And if it does, I'm not fixing it. The next owner can. But yeah, I got that side all back together too. I'm gonna cut these floor mats as well. Do that. Then I'm going the fuck to sleep. Alright, I'm just hitting the wet sand quick. If you've never done this before, I guess I'll hit you with a quick tutorial. This is the cheapest possible option. The way to do this. So, I don't even know what grit the sandpaper is, to be honest. I'm assuming it's 1500, just by the way it feels. But this one's all done. There's a lot of people argued the correct way to do this. There's not exactly a correct way. This is the way I do it, so you want to get your... Well, I thought I lost my sandpaper. I'm ready to go to bed. Ideally, you would, clear coat after this. Oh, yeah, I also like to get the sandpaper wet. I'm just holding too many things. There we go. But ideally, after doing this, you would clear coat and then do this again. But we don't got the budget for this fucking thing to do any clear coat. And so once you get it nice and saturated, which you'll want to keep applying then, I'm just, for the video, I'm not. Here, there we go. But you want to avoid circular motions because that's possible that it can show through after you're done. But basically you just want to get the entire headlight. Obviously I taped it off. I don't know why this headlight has this. I've never seen a headlight have just a bulge sticking out. But you want to just barely have pressure on it, so you kind of glide across it so you don't burn through your clear coat. Oh, look at me, I'm doing circles like I just told you not to. Oopsie. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this part. I usually keep going until, if you're going along here and you feel bumps throughout the headlight, you're gonna want to wipe it off and do another pass. But I usually go until it's completely smooth feeling through the sandpaper, and then we'll start polishing it. Alright, so once you get that done, you want to make sure it's dry completely. It's probably not, but it's fine for this thing. And then you also, once again, I got the cheapest stuff I could find on the shelf. Some, polishing, sure. I don't know how well this is gonna work, to be honest. This stuff's probably like fucking 15 years old, but it's fine. And then I'm gonna attempt using this because I don't feel like using my hand, but if not, I'm just gonna rub it in. And then I usually put like a couple dots on there and then just let the rest do the work. I don't try to do any fancy shit. I don't have any fancy ritual. Half the time I screw it up anyways, so yeah. Hey, YouTube magic, look at that. Obviously it's not perfect, but all things considered, I probably have under $5 into doing this, so I'll take it. Looks good enough for me. Compared to how it was, you can actually like kind of see them. Crazy. Awesome. But I was gonna do the floor mats. I'm tired as fuck. So I'll probably just do that off camera. Who cares about fucking car mats getting cut? Next time you see this thing, if you see it again, it'll have floor mats. Holy shit, how could I have forgot? I got this thing working. The code was in the fucking owner's manual. Moment of truth. Is there a disc in here? Oh man. What? Oh no. What the fuck? What the hell? This is copyright. Why won't it come out? CD? Damn, I'm gonna assume that means there's nothing in it. Well, we're about to start this bitch too quick to see how she sounds. But I gotta plan this because I don't want the RTV to get too hot. So I gotta start this thing and then floor it backwards. Alright, sounding good. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. It's a moment of truth. It smells like burnt plastic in here. Let's see if I wasted all my time or not. And if the battery charged. Oh. Okay, well, the fucking belt doesn't count. Son of a bitch. Oh, we gonna see? I can't see where I'm going. Oh, it don't sound no better. Son of a bitch. Thanks, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully, you won't have to see this thing soon again. But make sure you're liked and subscribed. Don't forget. Dude, fucking bug just flew in my eye. What the hell? But that really made me lose my train of thought. Oh, thanks for watching. Have a good night.